Hey guys, it's Danny's Queen here. I just wanted to give you a little greenhouse update video, show you what I look for when I come to the greenhouse, why Danny's working, things like that. So I'll turn the camera around and explain what I look for and things like that. Okay, this is our first greenhouse. When I come in, I kind of just walk and look, make sure all the hoses are in, nothing's blown out or anything like that. Look, our cat Mama's. Yeah, just glance, make sure that all the black tubes are in, no perlites on the ground, things like that. Then I come and lift this up and check the water. There's a black float right there. The water is below that. Then I'll go to the water tank shed and turn whatever tank is on, I turn it off and turn the other one on. But I gotta make sure that the pump is not running when I check, because if so, that's gonna make it go down. So I just gotta make sure it's not running. Usually it's in the evening. And I'll show you the water tank shed. Okay, leaving the first one, going to the second one. And see, like this one is running, so if I go and check and it's low, then I know it's okay. But it's running. Mama's wants to be in the video too. But yeah, I just walk through and then just make sure that everything looks good. These are some peppers that are growing. Those are our girls. But yeah. And if I happen to notice like the plants look weird or whatever, send Danny photos and stuff like that. Or if he has enough internet, we'll FaceTime and stuff. But I wanted to show this too. I just seen it. Look how big that pine cone is. We got some pine needles for around our blackberry bushes, and this was in there. And it's pretty big. The kids enjoyed it. So that's it for this. And I'll show you the tank to see if it's low, because it's running. See, like right now it's below that, but it's running, so I don't need to worry about making sure it's full. Okay, here's the water tank shed that Danny had built. See, the other day we were using this first one, but it was empty, so I had to turn the little valve off and turn this one on. And then I come and check the water level, see how much water is in it, and I can even sometimes, like that end one over there is hard for me to see, so I can just stick this in and see how much water is in it. And then when this one gets empty, we will turn it off, then turn that one on. And then when they're empty, Danny will go get some more water at the property. And then he knows when he needs to mix, like when he goes and gets new water, he knows how to do all the fertilizer and stuff. Okay, this one is on also, so when I check it, it should be a little bit lower and I don't have to worry about filling it. So, show you. Yeah, it's right at the end of it. So, okay. I'm learning. Danny tells me what I need to do. But this is our strawberries. They're doing good. There's a few that Colt can pick later. It's kind of like the same thing with this. This one's a little bit low, so I'll have to put some water in here. And then I just gotta check to make sure it's damp, and it is. So alright, that's about it. Hopefully in a few weeks the plants will be taller. Then a few weeks after that we'll have some tomatoes. But mamas. We got one that stays around here and one that stays in the chicken coop. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. And until next time, bye guys.